Hello everyone, welcome to today's Simply Crafty video. Today we're going to be creating the long-awaited Pranee mask from Raya and the Water Dragon. Let's get right into it. So here before me, I have all the supplies that we will be needing today. Okay, so now that we've got the base of our mask all complete, we are ready to add the plaster on. Okay, so now that our mask is dried, we are going to take our paints and we're going to start painting our Pranee mask. Let's get into it. So some of the footage accidentally got deleted on my mask. So this is the paint all done here. So the base coat of the paint is all the pinky purple color. The stripe is a dark purple, and the horn is painted a lighter blue with a darker navy blue. Okay, so that is the way the mask looks right now. So what we're going to do now, as usual, we're going to be attaching our mane on. So yeah, let's get into it. And there we have it. This concludes our Raya and the Lost Dragon mask series. So going from left to right, we have Pranee on the far left, then Amba, then Sisu, then Pingu, and then Jagan. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you for following me along on this series of my Raya and the Lost Dragon mask videos. And I hope that you'll join me in my next series. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!